Ano, wala nang alisan.
Hi guys! May toyo po siya. Ang hirap maging vlogger guys. Boy. 2 months old po siya guys. 2 months old bandit.
Parang kunin mo bango.
Bakit? Spray mo doon sa papel. Dami naman eh. Sa Carolina Herrera. Hack po pag nasa makeup store, pag wala po kayong pera, pero gusto nyo pong magpabebe, paki-spray na lang po.
Yung mga
All
face
over
niya
the
sample.
Yung display.
Bango?
Smell good? Smell me.
No? Yet no?
Ay.
No.
Ay, aching! Spray ko pa sa bag. Today, we are unboxing mystery ball. Baby! Oh, cute siya.
It's exactly 4:45 p.m. and
Cold. And you're still now on rock? Are you still a baby? Still baby? Oh, yeah. Baby pa rin daw siya, ma.
are you a baby? Oh no. Guys, we're here at Grapevine Mills. Dealing with a toddler tayo ngayon. Kaya nga.
And then it comes to the free cheese dip. Would you like to keep the cheese dip or would you like to switch? I'll just do the cheese.
Mula si Kuya tuwang-tuwa sa atin, tapos agad yung...
Ayun na tayong pansan. Oo.
Muna nakatingin na siya, tuwang-tuwa sa atin. Grabe mo, $10 na to.
A rabbit.
Hindi sa Korea lang yan eh.
Ganun pa.
White chicks too.
We're here at Jollibee. Where are you, Ara? That's Jollibee. Where's Jollibee?
Kaya sa'yo na nga.
Naku, kung umaga. Naakap na si John.
How old are you? Do you like Jollibee? What is
Ayaw itaas yung kumay.
What is this? The Jollibee look.
to be a mom.
Hawak ko. Juice. Diaper bag. Walang dala yung princess. It's my birthday and we're going to the Galleria Mall. Nanay mo yung isa daming dala.
Baka na ka nanay, ma.
Oo. Eto chill lang siya. Chill lang si Baguette. Say hi, vlog.
Mamaya pabuhat.
Say hi, vlog.
Upside down, baby.
There you go. May camping siya. Jamie, pakita mo may camping ka. Guys, we're here at the Galleria Mall in Dallas. There you go. Hinahanap ko lang yung Pop Mart. We haven't eaten breakfast. Tapos na flat tire pa kami, so we have to fix it first. There you go. Mas excited pa sila, oh. Where's Pop Mart? Where's the boo-boo? Guys, let's go. Let's go. Yung dalawang maliit. Wow. Okay then, here. And then they have this Labubus. Sasalita ako ah. Parang heaven dito, parang wow. Ayoko lang magkapare-pareha si Uki. Guys, sobrang ang hirap pumili. Ang hirap pumili. Arabella. Apo mo, ganun. Kasi, get one. You make sure.
That's my love.
Yun, ang kay Margaret. Sana ito makuha na. Excited. Kamukha mo yan. Ayan na, may topak na. For Margaret.
Put in my car.
Bakit? Ito tinutoyo.
What is cute? What is really about? Here you go. Stand up.
Una mo ako, ako na lang. Hi guys, Arabella is crying because she's scared of people. Tell them you're scared.
Grabe.
Margaret, what's your food?
Philly cheesesteak, pero wrong order. It's okay though.
Hindi mo pinapalitan? Dealing with a toddler yan. Dallas edition.
Coach Spurs, ginawa ng ano.
Batang madumi. Batang madumi. Kuha siya doon. Guys, we're here at Jen Korean Barbecue House. Yan. Trip namin mag-Korean. Say hi to the vlog, Ara. Ara. I hopped on a plane with LAX. So for dinner, we are going to have a barbecue. Sing happy birthday.
Are you getting boba? Are you getting a drink?
Uy, excited. And for our appetizer, we have the fried calamari. Ang anghang, guys. Bulgogi. Yes, the bulgogi. Yes. Ay, makaka ka na.
Alright, it's hot. Be careful. I just dumped it. You know what I mean? Like,
Ay, gutom na po sila. Oh, that's so big. Thank you. Go back, Queen. After Korean barbecue. Si Kulit. Napakakulit. Yung nanay, uminom na lang. Eto. Ayan na po yung bill namin. Good luck. Good afternoon. And dapat mag-ano tayo? Ano yun? White water.
White water bay. Pero nag-rain.
Actually rained all morning.
So, mall na lang. Pop Mart.
Blind bags. Guys, nandito kami sa Kabayan Filipino Store and Cafe. May pahalo-halo, may Philippine flag, yes. Ang restaurant. Guys, Filipino flag. This is still in there.
Ayun o, hi guys.
Filipino flag.
Hoy, taba. Kailan ka ba talaga magpapapayat?
Kapag hindi ka napangit.
Tikman natin guys kung masarap itong crinkles nila.
Bakit daw maganda?
Binigay ni Lord.
Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you.
Hi guys, Lola Mood lang. Ayun o. Ayun o. Ako nito. Ako nito Ara. Ay, gumagulong-gulong ako sa lapang.
Smart kasi wala ka.
O, sino? Susunod nga ako doon.
Wala namang...
Tumingin muna kayo kasi ako alam ko na yung gusto ko.
Hi vlog! POV! My Little Pony.
Ganda nga. Pero hindi sila yung sa ano, sinasabit? Oh yes.
Which one to choose? I really think this one.
Ewan ko. Ayoko na pumili.
Okay, I keep going for this one, so we'll just go for this one.
Bakit naman yan?
I want this one or this one. I like all of them, but I really like that one.
Ay, naku, she got the goods.
Got the goods. Are you recording?
Patede mo na yung anak mo.
This is the restroom, but this is where we came from though. This floor.
Yan na, kasi Ara is being silly, being makulit at may toyo. Ayan, sumunod tuloy yung tatay niya kasi hindi na kaya ng mama niya. Oh, diba?
Here at the park. Ready? Come on, Kitty's so excited.
Biglang maglalakad. Ay, nako.
Pero kanina, mama.
We're here at Grapevine Mall. Close na pala. Let's go sa local store. Oh, di na po ako stress, guys. Oo, di ba?
Saan ko nga sa kanya?
Sabi 130. Ganda. Spider-Man, oh.
Ayan ako na. Di ba?
Mm.
Like I told you, I keep feeling a shot.
50th birthday, I chose Mang Chichi, Labubu.
Pongkis. Pero mystery box din. Ako, nakakatakot.
Hirono, yes.
Oh, alam mo pala.
Si Hirono.
Okay.
Yes!
Oh my God.
It's Sunday in Dallas. So, walang sasakyan. Hello guys! We are going to do an unboxing. Okay, so this one is from who? From who to? What's your guess? This is Margaret's gift. And this is my gift to myself. And this is Julia and Peanut's gift.
Ang ganda niyan.
Okay, go. So, ano sa'yo? Sino sa'yo?
I'm gonna guess it's gonna be lightning.
Sorry guys, baka mabash ako sa itsura ko eh. Wildflower. Ako naman white flower.
And my wish is this one.
Yung ano? Mapa-DoorDash ka na. Ayan na. Peanut, look, let's see what... Which one do you like?
Is in that bag. Which one?
That one.
red daw.
Yung gusto mo? Okay.
Okay, so shall I?
Yay!
One, yes? Yes? No?
Oh.
Peanut, yes? No?
Oh!
Oh, the yellow one. Wala na guess?
Yung Amber.
Si Amber.
Para siya manika.
Nice.
So pretty, guys.
And that's the second one, Julia's gift. Okay,
Ma-
which character?
Newest ano lang yun, diba?
This is
Yes.
the newest edition, My Little Pony.
Mine is, I'm hoping for this one. What's
Pakita
the
mo
name?
sa kanila.
Twilight Sparkle.
Rod, ay paborito yun ni Aliyah.
I think it's going to be Rainbow Dash.
Okay?
Oh, Peanut.
Ara?
Which one do you think? Do you think it's mystery or one of these?
Oh, mystery.
Twilight din.
Twilight.
Parehas kami lagi ng gusto ni Peanut.
Ako naman, eto guys.
One, two.
Bakit?
Ang ganda ng pouch kasi.
Oh, that's cute.
Wow! Patingin mo ito, patingin mo na, patingin. Wow, guys!
Limited.
Wow! Sana ako din bumili dapat.
Okay, ready?
Wait,
Close your eyes. Alright. Final reveal.
Ano siya, guys?
Oh,
Si Fluttershy.
Hindi na naman namin nahulaan.
This is cute. Wait, I like
Oh, let me see.
Si Fluttershy. Yung sweet one sa My Little Pony.
Ang cute niya, guys. Oh my. Oh, tas may hair pa siya. Babalik na po kami sa Pop Mart tomorrow.
Ayan na, Popmart na po kami tomorrow. For more blind box.
Pero what, may kitchen.
Okay! Gift for
Ah.
myself. Ay, open ni Peanut. Okay, what's your guess? No.
Naman, guys. My guess is...
My all-time favorite.
Parang gusto ko lahat sila, guys. Pero parang ito type ko, guys. Si Ratty Bear. Yee!
Mine is...
Well,
At first pick mo, parang yung purple sa akin and then this one, the red one. O, sa'yo. Sa akin yung red sa baba.
Here, guys.
I like the peanut. There's
Okay. Sa'yo, Peanut, what's your guess?
Which
one do you
one?
like?
Parehas na naman kayo. Oh, ano yan?
Oh my God, parehas talaga.
Hindi nga. Patingin. Ito yung red din.
Hala! Tapos gumanyan pa siya. Namili talaga siya.
Kay Peanut, guys. I-red din, guys.
3 blind boxes, lagi kami same. Ay, naku, nagbablog yun, oh.
Yes, guys. My mommy got this Netflix house.
Okay, let's open.
Say, this one I got, guys.
And then,
Maganda yung Little Pony, ma.
Kuha pa tayo bukas. Yan.
Ayun na.
3. Ano na? May naka-ano?
Oh. Baka kuha niya, guys.
Babalik tayo doon.
got the Nyota.
For Budols. Budol.
Budols?
Which one do you guys want?
I think I like this one. Yung may hawak na parang dog. Ito guys. Sana makuha niya. Ikaw ma. Ito. Yung ano?
Yeah, that's the one I want. I want that one or the
Peanut, what do you want?
That
Pink
one.
kanya, pink.
Guys. Oh, that's so cute.
Lapit.
Okay, ready? Which one is it, guys?
Aww. Nice guys.
Ito.
Aww. That's so cute.
Cute, cute, cute.
Cutie.